Meet Joe. He's a freelancer. Joe's thinking about getting health insurance, but how can he find coverage without a traditional employer? Well, let's start with the basics. Health insurance brings people together in a group to help cover medical costs. If Joe enrolls in a health insurance plan, he would pay a monthly premium to have medical coverage. Some months, Joe may use more than he pays, meaning other members are helping to cover his costs. Other months, he may use less and help cover costs for other members of the group. How nice of you, Joe. By having a health insurance plan, Joe would be prepared for the unexpected, like a sudden accident or illness. Insurance would also help Joe stay well by covering routine checkups and preventive care. But as an independent worker, it's not so easy for Joe to find an affordable health insurance plan. Most workers get health insurance through their full-time job. Employers form their own insurance groups, and their employees get to enjoy low monthly premiums for 3 main reasons. First, they're considered lower risk because they are a random assortment of people with different health needs. And if you've ever worked in an office, you probably notice how random this assortment can be. Second, by coming together as a group, they have the power to bargain with insurance companies for even better rates. Third, the rates they pay are supplemented by government subsidies. The downside? When employment ends,
you're fired.
Health benefits can end too. So where does Joe fit in? As an independent worker, he doesn't have a job with just one employer. He must fend for himself, alone in the individual insurance market, with no human resources department to guide the way. It can be a scary place, with high monthly premiums, limited options, and no group to help you bargain for better rates with insurance companies. But Joe doesn't need to go it alone. Freelancers Union brings together its members to form their own insurance group and offers them health, dental, life, and disability insurance, and retirement plans. But unlike traditional employees, members can take benefits with them from job to job. Freelancers Union launched Freelancers Insurance Company, FIC, which is the first social purpose health insurance company, created just for independent workers like Joe. So if Joe gets health insurance through FIC, his monthly premiums not only go towards his own medical costs, they also help his fellow independent workers. You really are quite the stand-up guy, Joe. He may also have lower rates than what he could find on the individual insurance market, and he'll be insured by a company that was created just for independent workers like him. You might think this sounds pretty dreamy, and it is. But keep in mind that every year medical costs are rising fast, while Joe and the rest of us try to catch up. FIC reviews its rates and benefits every year to make sure that it can continue to offer affordable coverage to freelancers, but also can cover its costs and be around for years to come. Freelancers Union and FIC support healthcare reform and hope that it will help keep Joe's medical costs in check. But no matter what happens, they continue to look for innovative new ways to meet the needs of independent workers. There is power in numbers, and by coming together as a group, we stand a much better chance than going it alone.